Hey, what's going on, folks? Michael here with Primal. No, I'm not dead. I'm still alive. Been a minute since I've uploaded a video, but the last year's been a little crazy. I decided to make some boxes for my comics, and it's just a box, nothing fancy. About the only crazy thing I did was this rabbit here on the bottom, but that was just to practice. But it's just a box, and I made it out of MDF, mainly because it takes paint really well. And I'm going to show you a couple of things that I did to it. So when I did all the joints, I sanded everything down first to make sure everything was nice and smooth. And then afterwards, I loaded it down with some spot putty. Works really well. This is mainly used in automotive industry, but it works really well in this application. And I wanted to hide those joints. I kind of wanted it to look like a piece of molded plastic, or close to it anyway. And once it was done, I sanded everything down so it looked like this. And I think it came out pretty well. It hid all the joints and everything looks really good to my eye and to my feel. And I just shot it with some black paint. Nothing fancy, nothing crazy. Went over to my 3D printer and printed out this beauty ring here that's going to hide the top. Trying to do it one hand is a little difficult. There's a little flange around here that the printer puts on there to keep the whole thing flat while it's printing. I just simply tore that off. And the other thing that I added to this was a real quick modeling right here. I have two guesses what comic is going in here. I modeled this in Tinkercad, believe it or not, and printed it out on my resin printer. And there's the finished product. You can see the unfinished one to the left. And that's pretty much it. A short and quick video here to let you know what I've been up to and what's been going on. Got some more videos coming out, so I hope you guys haven't abandoned me yet. I surely haven't forgot about you. Thanks for watching.